What if I told you that the key to begin making money online fast is to start one of these 2 easy, beginner-friendly online businesses, and you don't need to have any complicated design skills and no technical knowledge is required. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to start your own online business that will make you money fast. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the 2 best online businesses that you can start right away. And if you're just getting started as a beginner, learning the best way how to make money online. I'm here to cut through the noise and give you guys the real deal on what actually works without all the fluff. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome back to my channel. I help everyday people like you earn money online using simple tools and strategies which are all geared towards your financial success. All I ask in return is for you to show some love by liking, subscribing and sharing this video with your friends and family to help our channel grow. Please also leave me a comment below letting me know how you're getting on. I am going to walk you through these 2 awesome business models that anyone can jump into, especially if you're new to online business. So let's go ahead and break down these 2 businesses further. Now then, here are the 2 best business models for beginners. So with that being said, this video is going to be straight to the point, and I'm going to explain the 2 really good business models that you can start straight away as a beginner in the online business space. Now, first up, we have the easy entry option, which is just perfect for those who are just dipping their toes into the online business world. And if you're eager to start seeing profits right away, then this one's going to be right just for you. Next, we'll explore a business model that I really like, one where artificial intelligence simply can't compete. So if you're willing to dive deep and invest some of your time, then you're in for a lucrative and well-paid journey. Business model number 1 is print on demand. So if you're looking for the simplest and most easy way to get started, then print on demand is going to be your go-to place. Here's how it works. You create designs and then upload them to print-on-demand websites. These platforms will then generate for you photoshopped virtual listings of what that design or designs would look like, showcasing your designs in various products like t-shirts, coffee mugs or hoodies. When shoppers come across your design and browse through your marketplace and see those designs on the product and they like it and they decide they want it, they can then select the product type, size and color and then place their order. Once an order is placed, the print-on-demand website will actually print your design onto that specific product that the person chose and ships it out to them, and they will handle the printing process, the shipping and customer service. What's great about this is that as a seller, you pocket a good portion of the profit without the hassle of production and logistics. Your customers are not limited to just one size either. They can mix and match sizes and colors as they add items to their cart, ensuring they get exactly what they want delivered right to their doorstep. The beauty of print-on-demand business model lies in its simplicity to be so beginner-friendly. As a seller, all you need to do is create and upload your design to your chosen platform, whether that's Etsy, Shopify or Amazon. And from there, the platform takes care of the rest, handling everything from production to shipping. Regarding Amazon, if you come across listings that are labeled Amazon merch on demand, well, that's essentially Amazon's take on print on demand, and your listings will be created and fulfilled through their service. Now, if you're considering diving into the print on demand business, here are a few pointers for you to keep in mind. Regarding Design Key, and while the process may seem straightforward, creating eye-catching designs is crucial. If you're up for the challenge, mastering the art of print-on-demand t-shirt design is arguably the most important aspect of this business model. Fortunately, you don't have to start from scratch when creating your designs. There are plenty of tools available to help you bring your vision to life without needing any graphic design expertise. For instance, we have Kittl, and this versatile tool offers pre-made templates for t-shirt graphics cards and photo frames. With Kittl, you can customize every aspect of your design, from the templates and the fonts to the color palette, to ensure perfectly it aligns with your brand. And the best part, you don't need to be a graphic designer to use it, because Kittl makes it easy for anyone to create professional looking designs that are ready to upload on print-on-demand websites. Also, with these customizable t-shirt designs, you have the freedom to tweak or change the graphics. You can change the text, adjust the font, whatever you need to make it your own. Once you're satisfied with your design, you simply download it and upload it to your chosen print-on-demand platform. From there, the platform handles the rest, leaving you free to focus on creating even more designs, because they do everything else for you. Now then, let's delve into number 2 business model, which is affiliate marketing with videos. Affiliate marketing may sound fancy, but at its core, it's simply a company's referral program, and you've probably come across it before now. So then, a company offers incentives for referring their products to others who make a purchase. This could be anything from gift cards to commissions. With the rise of online marketing, affiliate marketing has become a lucrative opportunity. By creating videos about the companies and products, you will include your unique referral link in the description, allowing you to earn significant commissions. Another good thing is you don't necessarily have to create your own videos. Many companies provide ready-made videos for affiliates to use, making the process simpler, easier, and more professional. Here's where affiliate marketing comes into play. If you head to a video, click on it to play, scroll down to the video description, and then click on where it says more, you will likely find a list of affiliate links. These are links that the content creator has included to products or services they are recommending. And guys, to bring my point home, I've also included my referral link in the description below. So all you need to do is click on it. Easy, right? Thank you. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its ability to generate passive income. Once someone clicks on your affiliate link from any of your social media platforms, whether it's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok, you'll earn a commission for any purchases they make. What makes this business model so powerful is its scalability. So whether you create a YouTube video or another piece of content, it has the potential to reach a vast range of audience worldwide. And every time somebody clicks on your links and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. This business model is so effective because even after years of uploading the video, it can and will still attract views and generate income through organic search. And that's the power of evergreen content. It continues to work for long after it's been created. Now then, if you bravely decide to pursue either of these two business models, then know for sure you're setting yourself up for long-term success. And guys, I hope you found value in this video. And if so, Please don't forget to give it the thumbs up, subscribe and like and share this video with your friends and family to help our channel to grow. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.